Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a Zara Sale haul. All the summer clothes are going on sale. My favourite sale of all the stores has to be the Zara sale. It's going to be a try on haul for you guys today. Before I start, I always ask you guys a question of the video. Today's question of the video is, what season is your favourite season? Out of spring, summer, fall and winter. My favourite season has to be the autumn fall season. I just love it so much. I love the fashion, the cosy vibes, the colder nights, the dark. I just think it's such a gorgeous season. Anyway, we need to keep on the summer vibes, don't we? But let me know what your favourite season is in the comments down below. I'm going to start unboxing all of these Zara goodies and trying them on for you. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first item in my Zara haul today is this gorgeous jumpsuit, and I'm so glad I got my hands on this. So this is basically just a really simple, beautiful jumpsuit from Zara, and I had my eye on it for a little while. When I saw it was reduced in the sale, I was over the moon. Basically the most simple, beautiful thing. It's got buttons down the front, strings here, and I love the neckline. I think the neckline is just really beautiful, really flattering for kind of most body shapes. The material is gorgeous. I cannot tell you how much I love the material of Zara clothing. It's so perfect for summer. It's so perfect for summer as well because it's a really cooling, really beautiful material. It doesn't make you sweat. It's actually from the TRF section, and I only paid £19.99 for this in the sale, which I think is such a bargain for Zara prices. Okay, so honestly, I absolutely love this jumpsuit. It is such a lovely, comfortable fit. It just feels so nice to wear. The fabric is probably my favourite thing of the whole jumpsuit because it's so cooling and it's so refreshing, especially on a hot day like today. It's really hot outside, and I just feel, honestly, I feel like I'm wearing pyjamas. I feel so comfortable in this. I think the neckline is really flattering, especially for someone like me who has kind of a smaller body but bigger boobs. Sometimes I could look really out of proportion, but this kind of brings everything back in. It sinks it all in at the right places. It nips you in at the waist and just feels lovely on the trousers. This is also one of those items that you could throw on and just look good in. Accessorise with some gorgeous bracelets and necklaces and just really dress it up. So it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect for me and what I'm looking for, which is easy, simple clothing. I also purchased this bag in the Zara sale, and this was £25.99 in the sale, and it's a mustard print bucket bag. I think this goes absolutely perfect with this outfit. It just looks so good together. This mustard bag is gorgeous. The colour I thought would be perfect for not only now but throughout winter. Mustard is a lovely colour to wear in the winter seasons. So again, I'm looking for items that I could wear all year round, and this is definitely a bag I would. Not real leather, so it's like faux leather, but it's a really gorgeous soft material. I love bags from Zara. I always get my bags from Zara because they're such good quality and they just last me a long time. And as this bag has gold detailing, and blue is a really good colour to match with gold, and the best thing about it, they were both in the sale. The next item I purchased, and I absolutely love this, it's a gorgeous daisy print dress, and I had my eye on this for a while as well. Honestly, the Zara sale just blessed me this time. This was £25.99 in the sale. It's a wrap over dress. Again, it's just so dainty and just so pretty. I love the length of this dress because it comes just above the knee. I hope it does anyway, I need to try it on. But it's like a really gorgeous summery length. Obviously the pattern is beautifully summery, and again, it's a lovely material. I purchased mine in a size small. Really excited about this one, guys. Okay, so this dress, I do love it and I think it is absolutely beautiful. The fabric is gorgeous. The only thing is, it's so open here. So you can kind of see my bra, and it just feels a little bit too low here and a bit open, which is a bit of a shame. I suppose I could sew it so it would stop here, but where the buttons are, you can kind of see through them and see the bra. It all just feels a little bit too slouchy on the top. Maybe if I had zero boobs and I could get away with not wearing a bra, it would be better, because I feel like just the bra being on show anywhere on a dress kind of brings down the scale of the classiness. So I'm not too sure about this. I really am not. Although I think it is so cute. I do really love this. It's just the top area which I find a little bit of a shame. If it just stopped there, I would be happy. But it is really cute. I love the fabric and I absolutely love the length on these. These kind of dresses for me, I think are perfect to wear either with sandals or Converse. They just look so cute teamed up with some very casual style shoes. The next item I purchased is this beautiful flowy playsuit. This is absolutely gorgeous. It looked beautiful on the girl on the Zara website. It has flowers, like lotus flowers all over, and also birds. I did actually purchase mine in a size medium. Normally I purchase size small, but I went for medium because small was out of stock, and I thought something like this, which is meant to kind of be flowy anyway, would be okay. Another bonus, it has pockets. This was £29.99 in the sale, reduced down from £40, which again I do think is quite good. Something like this is kind of timeless. You would wear it this summer and next summer. Okay, I love this so much more than I thought I would. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so comfy. What I love most is it kind of just cups your boobs at the perfect place. It seems to sit in all the right places. Because it's a playsuit, I love it even more. I'm not scared it's going to blow up in the wind. I just feel really cute in it and it just feels so nice. I would love to wear this with some Converse or just some sandals. Again, my go-to kind of shoes in outfits like this. It feels quite heavy. It feels like quite a weighted item, but not in a bad way. It's still very cooling, but it feels heavy enough that I don't feel self-conscious because it's not gripping onto all my floors. I just think this is probably the most kind of chic item I have in my whole wardrobe, and it'll be perfect for just a lovely summer's day out, a nice summer's lunch, even in the evening. And as it looks kind of like a dress, you could dress it up. I love the sleeves. These kind of sleeves are very flattering on your arms. They just give your arms a really nice slim look to them. Normally with bigger boobs I don't tend to wear things that are way too v-neck, but how this item sits is it's not thrusting your boobs out, so my boobs are kind of just placed nicely in the boob holder here. I did get this in a size medium. I do think a size small would have fit me fine. So with this, I would say either get your own size or size up, and both of them would be absolutely fine. So this next item was a bit of a bold move, and it's this bright yellow flowy dress. Now it's a bold move for me because I don't wear yellow too much. It just does not suit my skin tone. I'm quite a pale person, but I thought I would try it out because it's so pretty. Let me tell you, the fabric is gorgeous. It's like so soft, my hand can barely feel it. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it's so soft my hand isn't registering the feel of it. I just think it's really pretty, and it has this band in the middle which will tie you in at the waist and give you a gorgeous little figure. It's a high neck, which I don't mind. Again, these necklines are quite flattering for someone with a bigger bust. This I did purchase in a UK size small, and it was £19.99, so again, like a really quite affordable price for Zara clothing, and considering how nice this feels. Let's try it on and see how it looks. Okay, so now we have this dress on. I'm not too sure. I kind of feel like a bit of a chicken in it. The reason being is the neckline is a little bit strange. This is going down at a really weird angle, this front part. So it's making me feel a bit uncomfortable, and obviously as you can see there's baggage at the arms, and I just don't know, it just doesn't feel as comfy as the actual material feels. So it's so breathable and it's so soft, and I really like that about this dress. Maybe if it was in another colour, but it's just this part that I'm not very keen on. I don't know, what do you guys think? Now I'm wearing it, I'm actually really hot. So I'm not sure how good it would be to wear on a hot day. It's also a little bit constricting at the neck, so I have to think, am I going to be comfortable in this? And I'm not. As you can see here, it's so lopsided at the arms, so I'm just not sure. I don't think I'm going to keep this item, unfortunately. I also purchased a body, and I really like this. Online it was kind of promoted as a swimming costume, but I don't think it is. It wasn't in the swimwear, but how the girl was wearing it was as if she was going to the swimming pool. But I really like this. I just, again, think this is absolutely perfect to wear with a pair of jeans or denim shorts, denim skirt. I love the colouring. It's very tropical-esque. It's a really strong feeling body. It just feels really thick and really good quality. On the front it says brutally soft, and I feel like that's a bit of me. I'm quite brutal, but I'm soft in my brutality. So again, I purchased it in a UK size small and I paid £17.99 for this. Okay, I am loving this body. I just think it's so cute. It looks so nice with a pair of jeans. I just love the colouring. I think the colouring is going to be perfect on holiday. I just cannot wait. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. It really does feel like a swimming costume, but it definitely isn't because it has poppers on the knicker area, and I don't know about you, but poppers on a knicker area of a swimming costume would be very strange. The way the patterns sit, I just think is actually really flattering. So it's kind of pinching my waist in, which is nice, and it's really super comfortable. It's very low back, so I haven't actually got a bra on with this, and the fact that it's low back is nice, so it just gives you that real summer vibe. It just looks really nice and I'm very impressed with this top. It's definitely a casual daytime wear, so I like casual clothes more than I like dressy up clothes, so this is going to be perfect and probably an item that I wear very, very often throughout the summer season. Another little item I picked up in the summer Zara sale is some sunglasses, and actually I'm really impressed with how they've come packaged. They've come packaged in this gorgeous suede Zara sunglasses holder. Just such a nice and classy feeling sunglasses holder. The sunglasses I got are these reflective cat eye sunglasses. These are so cute. They are pink in colour and the lenses are actually pink shielded. I just think these are really cute. The shape of them makes you look so sophisticated and so ready for the city. Yeah, so I really like these. I have a similar pair which are square shape, but I really love this style shape. It looks very vogue and it just looks really like I'm ready to go to the city. Okay, next I purchased another top, and I love this. I love Zara for tops like this because they're really beautiful and really light feeling material. It's kind of a linen top with some balloon sleeves, and what I loved is at the end of the sleeves you have this gorgeous colourful fabric kind of tassel-y prints. And they're just gorgeous. It's an off the shoulder, and you know how much I love off the shoulder things. A top like this I just thought would be perfect for just daytime casual wear. Throw it on with some jeans, some sandals, a bag, and you're good to go. So I was really excited about this. The only thing I would say is this bit looks really wide, so I'm hoping it's not going to be too wide and my body can fill it out. I purchased this top in a UK size small and I paid £19.99 for it, so they're all coming up at around the same prices. This top I love. I knew I would love it as soon as I put it in my basket. It's a perfect top just for casual summer days to throw on with some jeans or a jean skirt. To be fair, I think this would look nicer with a jean skirt, but I'm actually trying on the Zara jeans for this show. It just looks really pretty. I absolutely love the sleeves. I think the sleeves give it such a gorgeous dainty little look. Just a tiny pop of colour sometimes is all you need. Myself personally, I just absolutely love really simple, easy to wear clothing, and this top is very simple and very easy to wear. It's made from linen, so it's so cooling, it's not too hot, and it's perfect for the hot weather. Again, I think a top like this you could wear over and over again throughout the summer seasons. It's not something that will date too much, so I will get more than one summer's use out of it, which is something I always look for in clothing. And I definitely think for me personally, it's perfect to bring on holiday. It's perfect to wear casually day to day in the summer season throughout England. Okay, I think out of everything I was most excited about these. I purchased some jeans and I already love the feeling of these. I'm just a little worried they won't fit because the waist is tiny, but they were described as super stretch and they're 80s style high waist jeans. So these I did purchase in a UK 8. They just look quite small, so I'm wondering if I should have sized up. I'm hoping they are still available online because if they don't fit I will exchange them for the size above. These were £29.99 in the sale, which is kind of a good price. Okay, so the jeans I'm not too keen on. They just don't fit very well and they're not yanking up as much as I want them to. I did purchase in my size, which is a UK size 8, but I knew they would be absolutely tiny when I saw them because they looked literally about that big. So I'm not really too keen on them, to be honest. I'm not very comfortable in them. They feel like they're just dropping at the crotch area and I like it to be really yanked up my jeans. I am actually filming a 10 jeans from 10 different brands video soon because there is such a stark difference on how brands size their jeans. And sometimes you put yourself down because you think, oh, why am I not fitting in this size anymore? But it can actually just be how the store size their jeans. So watch out for that video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. I do think the colouring of them is gorgeous, and I do think they'll be perfect for summer. What I might do is go in store, try on the size above the ones I've purchased. If they fit well, then I will exchange them. But if they don't, then I'll probably give up with these and go back to my usual Topshop trusty jeans. So something else I purchased is this playsuit, and it's quite different for a summer wear, but it was kind of smarter, and I thought if I'm going to something smart but I also need to dress cool, I will wear this. So this is a navy blue playsuit and it has long sleeves. I absolutely love the cuffs of the sleeves. I just think they are the cutest things ever. This, I was thinking, would be good in the summer for something more formal, but it would also be really good in the winter. You could wear tights underneath something like this and make it look really, really cute. This I purchased in a UK size small and I paid £30 for it, so I do have high hopes. The only thing is the fabric is really, really thick and it's quite heavy, so I'm not sure how warm the weather would be for me not to want to wear this. Okay, surprisingly, I absolutely love this a lot more than I thought I would. This is so gorgeous. I think my favourite bit is the front. It has this kind of overlay which makes it look like an A-line hem skirt. It's so gorgeous, and now I really want to go to a business meeting and just wear it to a business meeting because I think it's perfect for something a bit more formal, but also it's just really fashionable. It would look gorgeous wearing this in the city. I would probably wear my hair up in a tight bun to kind of go with the outfit, but I love the Peter Pan type collar. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are so cute. It's really comfortable and sits in all the right places. I think the neckline is quite flattering and it's not kind of falling open, which is what I don't need when I have boobs. I just really don't want it falling open. It's just a really gorgeous little playsuit and I'm actually really, really impressed with it. That was it in my Zara sale haul. As I said, a lot of the items are actually going out of stock. So if you want something, I would get on there ASAP. But if you want any more information about the items that I purchased, then just leave me a comment below. I'm always up for a chat. Let me know what your favourite item was. I think my favourite had to be the second jumpsuit. I just think it's so pretty and I absolutely cannot wait to wear it. I love Zara, I always have loved Zara, and I think I always will. So as always, I just want to say thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching my videos. It really, really does mean the world to me and you guys are so supportive. So I make 3 videos every single week on this channel and I would love it if you could be part of my Sopherina family. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you again next time. Mwah. Bye!